Before starting your makeup, it is very important to prep your skin first. For prepping, just use a cleanser, then apply toner, and lastly apply a moisturizer. I have already prepped my skin before, but I will be using a moisturizer because my skin feels a little dry at the moment. I will be using Pond's Light Moisturizer, and after that I'm going to be applying some Vaseline on my lips because my lips tend to be really dry. The secret behind smooth and long lasting makeup is a good primer. Guys, primer is a non negotiable step. Like, you cannot miss this step. This is gonna be the foundation of your makeup, and primer helps to put the makeup in place and it will not move at all if you apply it in the right areas. So for me, I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my forehead because I have some pores in those areas. So primer will help to fill in those pores and make my skin smooth and ready for the makeup. Now this is an optional step. I'm gonna be color correcting my face because as you can see I have dark circles and pigmentation, and color correction really helps to cancel out those things. You can skip this step if you don't have any pigmentation on your face or if your pigmentation is not so dark. Color correction helps to prevent your base from looking gray, so if you can color correct the right way, then your base will look really beautiful. Now I'm just setting the color corrector so that it doesn't move when I apply products on top of it. Then I apply a concealer which is exactly my shade. Honestly, foundation is just skippable for me, but concealer is very important. You don't need heavy foundations if you can just use concealer the correct way. The placements of your concealer is very important to enhance your face, to brighten up your face, and remove the need for foundation. Apply concealer on the inner and outer parts of your under eyes and also on the sides of your nose like this, and I also apply concealer around my mouth where I have also color corrected. It is very important how you're blending and with what you're blending. With cream and liquid products, use a brush to blend to get the maximum coverage, especially with concealers and foundations. I am using a brush like this at first to just spread the concealer, and after this I will be using a flat brush to just blend everything together. The problem with beauty blenders is that they soak up 90% of the product and you're basically left with nothing, so that's a drawback. Now I am just patting everything again with a flat brush. Something I'll tell you to invest your money in is a lip and cheek tint. They are so multifunctional. You can literally do your whole face with them, including your lips, cheeks, and eyes. Just look at how pigmented this tint is. This is the Hilary Rhoda lip tint. This can also be used as a cheek tint, of course. This legit just covered my whole face with one swipe. Next, I'm using another concealer which is like almost one shade lighter to my skin tone, and I'm using it on the same areas to bring about a lifted look which will enhance your face and also make your face look a little bit more brighter. Blending it with a flat brush again. Also, a very important thing to keep in mind is when you're blending with a brush, do not swipe. Use a dabbing motion to blend your concealer or foundation or whatever you're blending. Do not swipe, it will actually make your makeup fall off. Just dab it so that you get a lot of pigmentation and the maximum coverage out of that product. After you're done blending in your concealer, you're gonna set everything in with either a setting powder or a loose powder. I'm using a setting powder. After that, I'm curling my lashes because my lashes are not long, neither they are curly, so I need to curl my lashes for them to look a little lifted and enhanced. After that, just apply your mascara like you normally would. There is no special technique here, so just apply it like however you want it to. Now last but of course not the least are the lips. Lips can either make or break your makeup, so it is very important to wisely choose the color of your lips. I am doing a lip combo today, so first I have applied the lip tint that I had previously applied on my cheeks, and then I'm applying this nude pinkish type of shade, and after that a dark maroon shade like this. After that, apply a setting spray to set everything on your face and so that your hard work does not move. And with that, today's video comes to an end. I hope you found this video helpful, got some tips from it, and if you did, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.